Now let us invite another candidate. She is Raunak. So put your hand together. Come on.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Firstly, thanks Dilkhush sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak on the public places.
Oh my God.
My topic is about trust, self-confidence and money. Trust gives achievement. Believe you can. If you have trust on someone, then they need to maintain your trust. If someone had trust on you, then you need to maintain their trust or balance their trust. Trust is very important thing. Suppose that here each and every have friend and best friends, and you tell your all secrets, all the things with them. But you thought when they make fun of your secrets in front of anyone, they tell your all the secrets in front of anyone, that time and make fun of you, that time you feel really bad because of your loss of trust, because of your broken of trust on your friend. And this is a bad thing. And I tell this by a story, and story name is The Thief's Story. There are two main protagonists. First one is Anil and second one is Hari Singh. Hari Singh is not real name of that person. He was a thief and he changed his name always to leave other person's house. And he live in Anil's house but Anil was very kind person. Anil treated him kindly, give him basic needs and other things, and give him education to improve their condition. Anil treated him kindly, loving like his younger brother. And but Hari Singh was thief, and after some time he stolen the money of Anil and thought he went station and catch Lucknow Express to go anywhere. But when he went station, train is passing in front of his eye and he didn't do anything. And that he thought when Anil not found him or his money, then he is not sad for his money, but he's broken of trust, but his loss of trust on Hari Singh. This was very bad thing. But the only a good thing is that Anil had not seen him when he stolen money, and this was a good thing. Then Hari Singh again went to the Anil and lived with him. This story shows that trust can change the mind of person. Trust change the personality and nature of person. This shows if you have self-confidence, then you have trust on yourself or anyone. If you have self-confidence, and why self-confidence? I want to say a line on that. Find a place inside yourself where everything is possible. Firstly, it starts with a dream, but if you add confidence and determination, then it becomes true or it becomes reality. And everyone has any goal or any aim. Everyone has. But if you have not self-confidence, then you fear about your goal or aim. You fear about your success. And this self-confidence is most important. Suppose that you give any competitive exam, and you get very less marks and you don't achieve that exam. And for some time you feel depressed and demotivated. But the person who have self-confidence and trust on themselves, they again give exam and achieve that exam, achieve their success because of their self-confidence or their trust on themselves. and this shows self-confidence, and trust is most important. Believe you can. Everything is yours which you want or which is in here. Now, self-confidence helps you to earn money. कि बन जाते हैं लाखों रिश्ते जब पैसे पास होते हैं, कि बन जाते हैं लाखों रिश्ते जब पैसे पास होते हैं, टूट जाता है वो रिश्ता गरीबी में, टूट जाता है वो रिश्ता गरीबी में जो सबसे खास होता है.
Wow, that's great. Very good.
Nowadays, money is how much important you all know. If you go anywhere, money is spent on traveling, shopping, etc. like water. Like water. But money is more important. Money is much important in nowadays in your life, because without money you can't survive in this type of society, in this society.
Of course, yes.
And money is everything. Money is everything. सिक्कों की खनक ही तय करती है कि आपको समाज में कितनी इज्जत मिलेगी.
बिल्कुल, very good.
Now, power of money. What is power of money? If you have more money, then everyone give you more respect. If you have less money, everyone give you less respect. But the person in our society who have no money, no one here ask about their condition. No one give him money to improve their condition. No one is here to help them. This is the power of money. You can see in our society there are two types of system. First one is VIP and second one is general. In temples, hospitals, offices, everywhere. The person who have money don't go in line and take and give money and their work is done without any pressure, without any tension.
Exactly.
But the person who have no money, they go in long line. They go in long line and their work is not done in one day, because they have no money to give to the officers. And this is a reality of our society. Nowadays, this is reality of our society. But money gives everything. If you have money, everyone gives you security. Everyone gives you all comforts. But the person who have no money, no one give him security, no one give him anything to improve their condition. No one is here. For money, people ready to do anything, like bad thing or good thing. People ready to do crimes for money. And government provide all the schemes in hand of that person who have money, not in hand of that person who have no money. Government provide all the schemes on that type of person. For money, everyone ready to do anything. And I say to all of you the disadvantage of disadvantage of money. When money came in relationship, then your relationship will be end or destroy, because everyone wants their life easily and comfortably. Everyone wants money to live their life comfortably. Everyone wants. But if one time your bond is broken or your relationship broken, then money don't buy love between any bond, love between any relationship. Money buy all the things. Money buy lot of diseases, but not your health. You can see in our society, there are many persons who have many diseases. They have money, but they not eat sweets because they have disease of diabetes. And this shows money buy all the things, but not your health. Lastly, I say to all of you, money buy all the things, but not your happiness.
Money can buy.
Thank you.
Yes, very good.